Hey guys, this is a Toyota Tacoma 2015. This is the 2015, but it goes from 2005 to 2015. It's the same door panel. Very easy actually. This cover pops out. There is a little button kind of plastic over here that comes off. Then there is a Phillips here and a Phillips here, okay? So usually what I do first is I find a place for my bone to pop this off. Now what holds this thing in place is this little thingamajig over here. And what I usually do is I like to reload it immediately, because if you don't put all three back, this thing might not lock in place correctly. So I like just taking them off, and before they fly away, I like to put them back in place. And when you put this back in place, all you have to do is line up the three of them, and don't punch like me, just gently put this back in place, okay? Then I use my bone to poke that little tab inside, and then I'll put my hand over here because this thing is going to go fly, and this is what I have. Now, how do you reload this? I'll just push it back this way, and when I put it in there, I just push in and it locks. Next step is to open this little cap over here that already has a slot for my tool. That little cap also has a slot for my tool, and all you have to do is move it out of the way. Don't try to remove it because there is a little plastic that holds in place. You can remove it, but you're gonna have to break that little plastic in order to remove it, and there is no need for it. And actually, I'm just thinking about this. This screw I don't even need, I don't think I need to remove this screw. Let's try this. Some of the models you will need to remove that screw, but on this one I don't think that needs to come off. So I'm going to start on that corner. As usual, we talk about that. I like the dark corner to start my operation, and I'm going to use just my bone. Doesn't scratch, doesn't break anything. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the bone in, and I'm not going to pull this way. I'm just going to twist my bone just enough to give me space to pop that little pop. You see that it popped already? And now my hand can go there, and all I'm doing is this. And this thing comes right off. It's very, very easy. Now, you do not want to hang this door panel in place. And this is my test now. I want to see if I have to remove that screw. Yes, I have to remove that screw. This piece, the lock lever, it's going to stay in place, but this cap holds the door panel in place. So you have to remove that screw, and then you pull up and out. And I just want to show you something here. Here's the speaker. Make sure you cover it, otherwise your water is going to ruin that little Twitter speaker. It's a Twitter. I don't want anybody to correct me after. It's a Twitter. Okay, so what I do is I'll place the door panel over here, and I'm going to get my hook over here to hold that thing in place, because I do not want any one of you guys to let this door panel drop. If you let this door panel drop, you might have to replace some of the electrical cables. You don't want to do that. This is cheap enough. Just hang it over there. It's out of the way. And don't forget, use the panel cover to cover this thing and make sure it's covered. That's it. I hope that'll help one of you guys out there. Bye-bye.